Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to fix MCP server not connecting in Claude Code. MCP Model Context Protocol servers allow Claude Code to connect to external tools, services, and data sources. However, there are times when an MCP server may fail to connect, preventing Claude from accessing the functionality provided by that server. This can happen because the connector was not configured correctly, the server URL was entered incorrectly, or the connection was never fully established. One of the most common solutions is to manually recreate the MCP connector inside Claude Code and verify that the server URL has been entered correctly. In this example, we'll use an MCP server named API, but the same process can be applied to many other remote MCP servers. The first step is to open Claude Code. Once Claude Code loads, locate and click Customize. This section contains settings related to integrations, tools, and external connections that Claude can use. Inside the Customize section, select Connectors. This area displays all currently configured connectors and allows you to add new MCP integrations. If your MCP server is not connecting properly, click the plus button to create a new connector. From the available options, select Add Custom Connector. This allows you to manually configure a remote MCP server connection. You will then be asked to provide information about the server. In the name field, enter the name of the connector. For this example, type API. Next, locate the field for the remote MCP server URL. Enter the URL provided by the MCP server documentation. It is important to make sure the URL is entered exactly as provided. Even a small typo, missing character, or incorrect protocol can prevent Claude Code from connecting successfully. After entering the required information, click Add. Claude Code will now create the connector and add it to your list of available integrations. Once the connector appears in the connectors list, locate API and click Connect. Claude Code will attempt to establish a connection with the remote MCP server. If the configuration is correct and the server is available, the connection should be established successfully, and the MCP server will become available for use within Claude Code. If the connection still fails, double-check the MCP server URL, your internet connection, any authentication requirements required by the server, whether the remote server is currently online, whether the connector was added correctly. A common mistake many users make is copying an incomplete server URL, or accidentally including extra spaces before or after the address. Another common mistake is adding the connector successfully but forgetting to click the Connect button afterward. Some users also assume the MCP server is broken when the issue is actually caused by an incorrect endpoint URL or outdated configuration details. To summarize, fixing an MCP server that is not connecting in Claude Code begins by opening Customize, Connectors, and selecting Add Custom Connector. Enter the connector name, such as API, then provide the correct remote MCP server URL and click Add. Once the connector appears in the list, click Connect to establish the connection. By verifying the server URL, recreating the connector if necessary, and ensuring the server is available, you can resolve many common MCP connection problems and restore access to the tools and services provided by the MCP server. And that's how to fix an MCP server that is not connecting in Claude Code. By properly configuring the connector, verifying the server address, and reconnecting the MCP integration, you can quickly restore access to external tools and get Claude Code working with your MCP server again. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.